So what is going on in your community that will bring and attract midterm rental guests? So are there some new construction projects, new buildings, new corporations coming to your area? What is happening, okay? Now, the way you can find out what's happening in your community is by doing several different things, really. If you have a community newsletter or newspaper, check that out. Check and see what's going on, what they're planning. Attend those board meetings for your local city hall or your governmental agency and see what they're talking about. If you have an HOA, attend those meetings and let them tell you what they are planning on doing or what's happening in the area. Joining the Chamber of Commerce, that is another way to find out what is happening in your community. Talking to your neighbors and networking, letting them know what type of business you have also helps bring in more guests to your business as a midterm rental because that's word of mouth. Now, if you want to learn how to start a midterm rental business or a corporate rental business, I am having a workshop on October 21st, okay? Teaching you all about how to start a midterm rental business, how to manage it, how to run it, how to do everything from beginning to end. So if you would like to attend that event because you are interested in learning about midterm rentals, make sure you check the link in the description below or in my profile and get more information there. But it's October 21st if you want to join me, and I look forward to seeing you there. Hopefully those tips help you.